Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to build a category page with LayoutHub, so you can easily increase our offers and show our products even if we have less product as our competitors, but we have a more focused niche. So first, if you don't have the app yet, head to the Shopify app store and download LayoutHub. So let's go to apps, and if you don't have this app, go to customize your store. Let's search for LayoutHub. And you need to download this. It's free to use, so don't worry. You can add the app here. So as I downloaded it already, I'm just gonna close it and let's open the customizer. Also good to mention, you need to use Google Chrome or Firefox as a browser for this app, otherwise it's not going to work properly. So I'm advising you to use Chrome. I'm using Chrome as well, so I think that's the best for developing your store. So once you set up your password and it's ready, this notice is gonna disappear. So you can create a page using a standard one. Obviously, if you want some other advanced page, you need to pay the pro version. So you can go with the standard, and you can set up here to show the header and footer. So you can see here we have many templates here you can choose from, or we can just create a plain page and then we can customize how we like it. This looks quite okay for us. So you can preview the template as well and check how is it. So you see you can create features block here. You can give more information as we saw on the category page sites in the course. So you can give more detailed descriptions about your product. Alright, let's start with this and customize it. Also they have some great videos, tutorials how to use the platform that I can show you quick now. So as our page loaded, you can see it's really nice layout here, so we can basically edit everything in the page as we want. So basically this picture is quite good, but obviously we need to change the picture, change some text here. Let's say it's eco-friendly with bracelets, handmade by our lovely team, stuff like that. So you can change this as well. Terra tribe, summer collection, let's say. Okay, and you can give more details. Obviously you can change here those pictures, say it's okay, and you can change the links here. So this link is gonna go to, you can set a product as well, or let's go to collection. So once the customer click on this link, it's gonna direct them to summer collection. So you can set up as open in a new window. There we go. So once they click on a buy it now, it's gonna direct them to the summer collection and they can choose a bracelet there. Okay, so you can change this picture as well here. So let's say just use one of our image from the site. This images came with the template, but you can upload any other image. Let's say we have this nice one. Obviously we're gonna change those later, and there we go. Okay, select this. Alright, so we would like to change the image overlay in this section, so let's go to the banner section and scroll down to the background overlay and gradient, so we can give a color, let's say black, and change it here, the overlay, let's say like this, so the text gonna pop out a little bit. I think it's quite good. I'm gonna change the background attachment to fix. When you're scrolling down, the image is not gonna move with the scrolling, so it's just gonna be fixed. I think it looks quite good. Also, if you wanna change the text style, you just click on the any text and edit style, so you can change the weight to bold or change the color, anything you like. Even you can change the overlay as well. You can change the size. You have quite a few options here. And let's see how it looks like. So it's quite nice, isn't it? So you can change all the sections here and then just create your category page to your product. So there is the sections, all the sections is here. So basically you can change the sections, you can move them around. Let's say this, I'm gonna change this. This is the features, so you can move around where you want it, right? So, and then change the text, same as before in the banner. If you wanna give this nice header, so you can change it here. If you don't have this, so you can add another section, and then you can choose from the templates they have. They have headers, galleries, and you can add those elements and sections there as well, and then change them as how you like it. Alright, so we're gonna change everything here, and see you in the next video.